is how you know. Did the moment even make it past the room? To come, keep forgetting how to make it known before it's already gone. Looking back too soon is how you know. Did the moment